going to look at two stocks as usual, which have a consensus from both technical and fundamental perspective. First up is the stock called PowerMech. PowerMech is a leading player in the power EPC structure. They are also one of the stocks which got listed not very far away. But then what is interesting is that over the last about year or two, PowerMech has been seeing a very consistent and a very strong uptrend, as is visible on your charts. And what is interesting is that in and through this recent 1 month, 2 month of weakness in the market, PowerMech has hardly lost any ground, and that shows how bulls are firmly in control. And this is also visible from the other technical parameters. You would find that at the bottom of the chart where you can look at some oscillators which measure the momentum, and the momentum is actually down into the neutral. And if you see the price chart, that has also retreated down into a nice retracement support levels. And if you look at the volume, which is the chart in the middle, what you find there is a very high volume reversal which we saw at the end of last week. So this is a stock which has been doing extremely well even on the fundamental side. Q1 was a stellar performing set of quarter, and there is an expectation that even though the power sector has been not doing too well, but PowerMech has restructured their business along various sort of business verticals which are all doing extremely well. They're also concentrating on the non-power business, on the international business. I think all of these are beginning to kick in, and the outlook for PowerMech seems to be very good, and it seems that the market is expecting good tidings. That is why the high volume reversal. This now sets up the possibility of a new high beyond 1050, 1080 that you had seen earlier. That leaves us clear with about a 20-25% upside from the current level. So this is the stock that one could look to buy. The second stock that I would have for a buy for this week is Gujarat Fluoro, which is the major player in industrial gases and refrigerants and PTFE and various chemicals of that sort. Here again, similar to PowerMech, a very strong uptrend which has been in progress. Very little price damage in and through the market weakness. In fact, there is hardly any damage at all, and that shows how the bulls in this stock are very firm in their commitment. Similarly, we find all the momentum down to the neutral and a very similar high volume reversal to the upside in the last week. Here again, the expectations are very good. The stock has had very good Q1. What is interesting is that there are new capacities which are coming online in FY 19-20. There are new products which the company has introduced, which are having very good traction, and it is expected that the markets will see exceedingly good numbers coming out from Gujarat Fluoro. They also have an anti-dumping duty imposed on imports from China. Capacities in other areas in the world have shut down, so everything looks very positive. That is why the chart is also looking extremely positive. I think the way Gujarat Fluoro is poised, we are likely to see a new high at about 1080 to 1100. That's about 20-25% upside from where we are today. So this is another stock to buy for the short to medium term.